Okay guys, this is the first time that I will gonna pay the Atomy. So for the transaction, pop-up lang na siya din sa billing nimo. Ano siya? Pending pa ni siya ang kanang number of yellow. So ako bayaran is two transaction lang sa si Madilis Marketing and Gaisano. So 1,961. So first time na ako pay. So, billing date is December 2. Ang due date is December 12. So, di daw na to paabuton o kanang bills. Go to bills daw ta. Go to bills. So, sa bills, para makibaw ka kung pila dyan mong mayroon na mo pop-up naman na siya diha. Wala pa ko'y transaction ever. So this is the first time that I will gonna pay the Atomy card. I'm not sure how to, but we will pay now. Okay, muna siya itong transaction. Dora ka transaction ang ni bill sa for the meantime. So okay, we will pay this one. Press pay, and then if there's an option that if you wanna pay for this one, na siya bayranan, but if you're gonna pay in full, it would be the same. So pay na lang tag full, no? If you're gonna pay with cash, out ka ng 6 months na apoy charge, includes fees every month. So if medyo bugat sa imo ang amount, you can do 6 months. But for me, I don't usually do that. I don't have the practice of not paying my bill on time, so we'll try. Okay, so here no processing fee if you're gonna pay it full. Okay. Let's try this for no payment. Confirm payment. I don't know how to use that actually. So there's a QRPH, bank transfer via Insta, e-wallet, Gcash, Maya, and also card methods. So let's try the QRPH because don't have charge. I don't know how to use actually. Okay, let's press this one. So there's a timer, no? So how many siya pagbayad? Okay, save photo. I-save na to.